So here's the little Astro tire pump. Check the gauge, it's about 32.2. These tires are supposed to be about 35, so if you just attach the hose, twist it on there. I recommend doing that before you turn on the pump itself. This one says it's about 31, so I found that this pump, either the pump or the gauge I have is off a little bit, but it's in the ballpark. So I have it set to 36 because it seems to be a bit better on getting it to around 35. So you just turn it on, and once you turn it on, it's not really that loud, but you can watch it as it goes up, and the pump should turn off by itself once it reaches the targeted PSI. So we'll wait a little bit and let it do its thing. So far, I actually have two of these. I have one for me, one for my girlfriend. This is my girlfriend's truck, and so far I've been enjoying having it. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice small package. Has a little light in the front that turns on, so you can either have it turn on while you're using the pump, or you can just have the light only on by itself. So it's a cool little feature. Comes with a bunch of extra nozzles. Those are in the truck right now, but just showing off a little demo of it working and pumping up the tire. Should shut off any minute now. There it goes. And you go back over, take the hose off, and let's check with this, see how close it is. It says it's actually a bit more now, so it's alright. I can let a little air out, but all in all, I got this for about $5. I had a coupon code, so $5, I'm not going to complain about that. And yeah, so I think it's a pretty nice little product.